Cassie's YouTube page. Today I will be unboxing Mochi Squishies that my mom ordered for me from eBay, and I got 10 mochi animals, and I'm really excited to see which ones are in here. So let's open them. Okay, so it's just, oh wow. Okay, there's 10 mochis in total. My mom ordered 10 mochis for me. So let's have a look at which ones there are. They're so cute. OMG, this is a pink puppy. This pink puppy is adorable. I love the pink puppy. And like this is like a blue kitty cat. Oh, this one's so cute. So, and this is a turtle, a green little turtle. Perhaps it's a little bit of defection. This is like a purple, I'm not too sure what this is. It's like a dinosaur type of thing. It's really cute. This one's like a snowman. This is a yellow fishy, I think. I'm not too sure. I think that's a bear, like a gray bear. There's this like orange raccoon, green octopus, and oh, a pink bunny. So I'm going to be opening these. I'm gonna open this one first. So this is like a gray bear. It's so cute. Ooh, they kind of smell nice. They smell like plastic strawberries. Well, this one does. It's like a gray bear. Really cute. I'm gonna put it there. Okay, I'm gonna open next this orange raccoon, I think. Orange raccoon. This one is really like squishy. I like it. This one also smells a bit like strawberries. Okay, next one I'm gonna open is this fishy. I think it's a fish. I'm not too sure. Let's have a look. Oh, it's like a pufferfish. It has like, has some, what do you call it? Like, I don't even know what I'm saying, but it's like a little pufferfish. It has like spikes on the top. Yeah, that's the word. It feels really nice. It's a bit sticky. Okay, I'm gonna open the turtle next. What is this? Oh, what is that? Anyway, that might be like a bit of... It's a turtle. It's a green turtle. Look at how cute it is. Oh, that was satisfying. Okay, let's open this green octopus. This one's like a gummy. It feels so squishy. Like, it's kind of transparent. It's really squishy. I love the feeling of it. It feels so good. Put it there. Okay, this is like, oh, I love how they're all different colors. Well, like, there's two green ones, but one is dark green, one is light green. This is really nice. Okay. This is like, I think it's like a little, I'm not too sure what it is. It's like some sort of dinosaur, but it's a purple dinosaur. It's really cute. I think it's a purple dinosaur. It's really cute. Okay, I'm gonna open this bunny next. It's really cute. Oh, it's like a little flat bunny. Oh no, it's missing another foot. Look at the little bunny. It's really, they all smell kind of like strawberries, actually. I like scented mochis. Okay. This one has some air inside, so I'm just gonna... That kind of works. Okay, this is like a little snowman, I think. It's a bit tiny, but it's like a little snowman. I think, because like, I'm not too sure what animal it is. I think it's a snowman. Okay, these two are my favorites. And so this is a pink puppy. OMG, this is so adorable. I can add this to my puppy collection. Oops. Oh, it's so cute, guys. OMG. It's stretchy. Oh, they smell like strawberry. I love it. Okay, last but not least is the blue cat. Well, I think it's a cat. Some of the animals are a bit hard to recognize. It's a blue, oh wait, it's a bear. It's a blue bear slash kitty cat. This is so cute. Okay, so those are all of the squishies that I got today. Hope you enjoyed the video.